Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make stew dumplings at home. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need all-purpose flour, a good quality butter, and some cold water. Don't forget a pinch of salt and pepper for seasoning. Having your stew simmering gently beforehand is key, as the dumplings cook directly in it. This method ensures they absorb all those delicious flavors. Now, let's get our hands a little messy and make the dough. In a large bowl, combine 2 cups of all-purpose flour with 4 tablespoons of cold, cubed butter. Use your fingertips to rub the butter into the flour until it resembles coarse crumbs, like small peas. Then, slowly add about 1/2 cup of cold water, mixing until a soft, pliable dough forms. Avoid overworking it for the best texture. With your dough ready, it's time to cook these beauties. Bring your stew to a gentle simmer. Using 2 spoons, carefully drop small, golf ball-sized portions of dough directly into the hot liquid. Make sure not to overcrowd the pot. Once all the dumplings are in, cover the pot tightly and let them cook for about 15 to 20 minutes. Resist the urge to peek. That steam is crucial. Your homemade stew dumplings are now ready to be enjoyed. Carefully ladle the stew and fluffy dumplings into warm bowls. A sprinkle of fresh parsley or chives adds a lovely touch and brightens the flavors. This comforting meal is perfect for a chilly evening. Remember to check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals to make your life easier. Enjoy every delicious bite.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.